Hey everyone, this is Phil with 33 Mile Bees here in southeast Michigan, and right now it's 82 degrees. Us up here in Michigan, we're not quite used to these hot days this early in the year. But last week I installed some queens. I had ordered 8 queens from Wisconsin. I got them over here. Fortunately, ran out of time and only was able to get 6 installed with splits. Also did some walkaway splits. So wanted to check on them. It's been about a week. Today's the 14th of May, Saturday, and just taking a couple of these hives here on the end, and let's see what we got. And right off the bat, let's see, I got these here protecting inner feeders, bucket feeders. Let's see what we got, if they got anything. Nope, they haven't taken too much. Still about half full, so about half in a week. Alright, let's see. Well, they're eating their pollen patty pretty good. Let's take this and just oh yeah, they're eating it real good actually. Put that over here off to the side for now. Put a comb out of here. Take this end frame out. Let's see what we got. Alright. Packing away. Syrup on this one pretty good, I would say. Okay, same thing on the next one. Some of these frames were left over from dead outs. And we got, appears to be some pollen in that one. Very little amount. I did, after a couple days, come out and release the queens out of their cages. All right, that one's full of pollen. A lot more pollen. Right. The biggest thing I'm looking for now is eggs or very young larvae to show that the new carniolan queen is laying. We're backfilling a lot of the brood chambers. So what that means is I'm going to have to add another box for these ones at least pretty soon. Don't want them backfilling too much and slowing the queen down. Alright, yeah, they're backfilling it quite a bit. Still haven't seen her yet. Still no signs of eggs. There's some young larvae on there, not too young, but young enough that I think she is laying. Let's see if we can find her. Oh, they're really backfilling this. Quite a bit of it. Running out of frames to try and find her. there, and I see eggs. So that means she is laying. Just looks like she's choosing to lay more towards the side rather than right in the center of the hive. Not seeing her yet. So we're running out of frames here. And that's all back filled with nectar. A little, we'll call that a practice cup. I don't know. Either I didn't see her, or she didn't make it, but we have eggs in there. Frames are all polished. Well, I don't know. I see eggs, so I'm not really too worried about this one. Something did happen to her in the past couple days, and will make themselves a new queen. Or if you guys happen to see her and I had missed her, leave it in the comments. That is all entirely possible. Scanning real quick, looking, putting all the frames back to where they were. Peeking down in there. Now, these ones that I ordered, they do have a mark on them. Mark is yellow this year. Just kind of glancing real quick to see if I see a yellow dot running around, but I don't. So we'll put this one back together and go on to the next one. The thing I didn't do is I didn't check the lid, inner cover, make sure she wasn't on that. See her there. There's only a few bees on it. So put this back. Cover back on. Put your syrup back on. And right now I'm pretty satisfied with that one. Well, let's see what we got for the next one. And I'm probably not going to make a very long video because, like I said, us up here in Michigan, whew, we do not do good in this hot weather. Bucket. No point in putting that back on. I usually try not to feed them a whole lot of syrup. Puff the smoke, I'll figure one out. Okay, let's see what we got. Looking on the inner cover, nothing. Better check this time. They're just starting to eat. look at my record. I came out here. I got home from work early today, so just kind of zipped out here to look. I believe this one might be one of original queens from one of the other hives. Let's see what she's doing here. Frames. I got to put another gallon of feed syrup on for these girls. Then I gotta slow down. This side, put it back from that syrup. find her. I wanted to. I'll show you guys. But looks like I'm not going to find her. But I've seen eggs. I know this hive is queen, right? I don't know where she is in here, but she is in here somewhere. So, let's put this back together. Force there. This way. populated hive, but she's gonna start laying and start growing the hive. For now, put the feeder back on, just like this, so I know that this is the one that needs it. Let's check one more. Why not? We're here. Move the guys over. There's other bees that are attacking it. You have to figure out why they attack this GoPro so much. Yep, this is definitely going to be the last one. We've got some thunderstorms rolling in. Dirt skies off to the west. Alright, let's see what's here. Still. Let's cross our fingers that these ones are not very... Oh boy. Oh, guess what? They always say, check your inner cover. Look at there. See that? What's on the inner cover? So, what we're going to do, get her to go back in there, and I'm not going to go in the hive anymore because I know she's in there. There we go. Shake her back in. Back down in there. I am not going to go into this one anymore. I know she's doing okay. This bucket feeder back on. Some might ask, well, how do you know she's laying? Pretty confident she is. If she's not laying, we'll end up replacing her. So, that's what I got today. And our bees are out, we're foraging. And considering where I am, I'm right in the middle of a couple hundred acres of apple trees. So, they're out helping the neighbors. Pollinate them apple trees, getting them nice big red apples. All around. We got dandelions blooming. We got yellow clover out. And we also got that thunderstorm coming. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Keep following along. I'll check some more hives here in a couple days. Probably not gonna rain. I'm gonna get to keep my smoker going. Getting right in the beginning of swarm season. And I actually got a notification today that 1 year ago today was the first swarm call that I got. So we shall see what happens there. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. Yeah, see you later.